Hello guys, Eric Were here, your mentor on the Lifeversity Forex Trading course. Welcome to lecture 1 of the Lifeversity Forex Trading course. In this lecture, I'm just going to take you through our timetable so that you can get to know everything that we are going to learn in this course. As you can see guys, the Lifeversity Forex Trading course timetable has 20 lectures and we'll cover these lectures in around 3 weeks. The first week has 7 lectures, that is lecture 1 to 7. The second week also has 7 lectures, lecture 8 to 14. And then lastly, the third week has 6 lectures, that is lecture 15 to lecture 20. I will offer you 1 lecture per day. So in 20 days, you should be through. And we will be able to cover these lectures from Monday up to Sunday. So I'll just take you through the lectures for week 1. And here is our timetable. As you can see, lecture 1, part 1, introductory video. If you watched the introductory video before going to lecture 1, then you will be aware that we have covered part 1 of lecture 1, then part 2 course requirements, part 3 advantages of forex trading, then part 4 attributes of a successful forex trader. We shall cover lecture 1 in this video, so you should stay tuned and expect it to come up. And then we have lecture 2. Lecture 2 part 1 has basic introduction to forex trading, and then part 2 forex terminologies, part 3 currency pairs, part 4 trading times. That is lecture 2. Lecture 3 we have inside a forex trader's toolbox. Lecture 3 part 2 introduction to MetaTrader 4 and 5. Part 3 of lecture 3 opening a demonstration account. Part 4 of lecture 3 types of trends, charts and rules of plotting. Part 5 types of orders. Part 6 order execution stroke opening. Lecture 4 introduction to Japanese candlesticks. Part 2 types of Japanese candlesticks. Part 3 how to trade using Japanese candlesticks. Lecture 5 introduction to forex analysis. Part 2 types of forex analysis. Lecture 6 fundamental analysis. Part 2 major fundamental news to look out for. That is part 2 of lecture 6. And then lastly, in this week we shall have lecture 7. That is part 1 technical analysis, part 2 types of technical analysis, where we shall look at the MA or the moving average, the trend lines, and the Fibonacci retracements. So that is basically what you should expect in the first week of the Lifeversity Forex Trading course. After that, I will also be able to introduce you to what to expect in the second week of the Lifeversity Forex Trading course. Welcome aboard, guys. Coming up next is lecture 1, part 2, course requirements. And then we go to part 3, advantages of forex trading, and lastly, attributes of a successful forex trader. In part 1 of lecture 1, guys, we had the introductory video. I just wanted you to understand what it entails by the term the Lifeversity Forex Trading course, and I hope you went through. One great advantage with the Lifeversity Forex Trading course is that you have everything you need. Apart from seeing me on screen illustrating things on the screen, you also have the advantage of having a document to refer to, that is a PDF. As you can see in the screen, or every lecture I will offer you has a PDF. So the Lifeversity Forex Trading course is a full package where after the lecture, after watching me teach on screen, you can also go and refer to your notes. So in this lecture 1, I told you I am yet to cover 3 parts. That is the first, course requirements. Secondly, the advantages of forex trading, and thirdly, the attributes of a successful forex trader. And I'll just head over to part 2 because the introductory part I did it. If you didn't watch the video, kindly check it in the description. You'll be able to see Lifeversity Forex Trading course introductory video. And in part 2, that is uh, course requirements, you should know that forex trading is an online business. Therefore, you require a stable internet connection, very important from now henceforth. And also, you will be able to require to have either a smartphone or a laptop, because as you know, all deals in the forex market are done over the counter online. So you will need a stable internet connection and either a laptop or a smartphone to make it through. And then for every lecture, ensure you finish the lesson of the day. As I told you, we are covering these lectures in the next 20 days, so every lecture will come on each day of the week. On Monday, you get lecture. It doesn't matter where you start, as long as you signed up to the Lifeversity Forex Trading course. The first lecture will come on your second day of sign up through your email. So always open your email to check the second lecture, the third lecture, up to the 20th lecture. So ensure you don't leave that backlog. You cover everything, every lecture of the day, cover it on that day, and it will be good for you even as you progress up to the 20th lecture. And then number 4, ensure you complete all assignments. There will be assignments given. Even though everything will be on screen, you will also need to refer to those notes and everything else in between. Then do not go ahead of yourself and try to invest any money before I tell you, because the forex waves are tricky. The market is unpredictable. It does what it wants. So only a person who operates from an area of understanding can be able to risk and go ahead to trade. But for now, if you are new on the foreign currency trading and you've trusted me as your mentor, do not go ahead and deposit money or start trading before I tell you to do so. And then 6, for record keeping, I would like you to send me your full name, which you've already done. If you signed up to the Lifeversity Forex Trading course, you can skip step number 6 because you've already given me all I need. I have your phone number, I have your email address. So every communication, will be able to get it via email. So stay tuned for every lecture that comes, and for that matter, every video that comes out, because as I told you in the introductory video, apart from the lecture, I look forward to giving you lifetime mentorship when it comes to forex trading, so that you don't have to look in any other place. All you have to do is to watch the Lifeversity YouTube channel, and you will be able to get everything you need when it comes to making money through foreign currency trading. Welcome aboard, guys. I'm very glad to have you here and to take you through this amazing course. This is a course that is going to transform your life, because you are going to learn one more way of making more income online, and that is through forex trading. This is one of my favorite ways that I make passive income online. It may be called active income because you have to trade, but to me, I enjoy it like passive income. But it's a very amazing way to make money online, and I'm very excited that you trusted me to join the Lifeversity Forex Trading course, and you've gone ahead and trusted me to be your mentor, and I promise that I won't let you down. So that was part 2 of lecture 1. I'll take you straight away to part 3 because I want you to get everything. I don't want to waste a lot of your time with many stories. We just go head on to the point and get the thing going. In part 2, I'll just introduce you to the advantages of forex trading. Everything else you can read in the document, that is the PDF document. If you checked your email, you found that the link to the video comes first, and then the second reference is the PDF. I've sent every one of you a PDF, so you should be able to look at it and be able to take advantage of it. So in part 2, basically, when it comes to the benefits or the advantages of forex trading, there are very many advantages of being a forex trader in this day and age. I'll just sample out a few examples. Part 1, or the first benefit of being a forex trader or trading the foreign currency market, is that we have the 24-hour market. You do not need to wait for a bell to ring. From Monday to Friday midnight, you have a chance to make real cash. That is trade the market. From Monday up to Friday midnight, you have the opportunity to trade 24 hours, 5 days a week. That's an advantage, especially if you want to make currency trading a part-time job for you or a part-time source of income. Then it's very favorable, because after your 9 to 5 job, you can be able to trade in the evening. That's what I used to do. After coming back from Israel, I got hired as a pet nutritionist. I was already trading foreign currency, but I wanted to learn things to do with setting up now a business in the B quadrant. And I had never done that. I had worked in Israel in the E quadrant as an employee, and now in forex trading, I was self-employed and partly an investor. So I needed experience in the B quadrant. That's why I allowed myself to be hired as a pet nutritionist. And after my 9 to 5 job, that is in the evening from around 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., I'll trade foreign currency online and make decent profit. Profit that was even better than the salary that I was being paid. So when I tell you that you can be able to take advantage of the 24-hour market, I know what I mean, because I've been there and I've done it. Secondly, there are low restrictions to entry. Gone are the days when only banks and large financial institutions could trade foreign currency. With the current advancements in information technology, traders like you and me have an opportunity to trade in the foreign currency market through the internet. So, as I said earlier, one of the things you really need is either your smartphone or your desktop or your laptop, because this business is done over the internet online, as you will see as we progress in the course. And then three, we have the advantage of leverage as a forex trader. If you have no clue what leverage is, don't worry. We shall define it in lecture 2. Basically, leverage helps traders to make nice profits and keep risk to the minimum. For instance, a forex trader may offer a leverage of 100 to 1. That is the ratio 100 to 1, which means that a $100 deposit will allow a trader to buy or sell 10,000 worth of currencies. Nevertheless, it is vital to know that leverage is a double-edged sword. Without proper risk management and equity management, the higher the degree of your leverage, the higher the risk of making huge losses. So you need to be very careful when setting your leverage. I'll show you how to do that in the upcoming lectures, but it's an advantage because with little money you can trade the market and make lots and lots of money. Benefit number 4, automation. Technological advancements have allowed seamless automation. You can now buy or sell and set your online trading platform to automatically close your order once your profit level has been reached. You can also close a trade automatically if it is going against you using what we call stop losses. I will disclose to you what stop losses are and how to automate your trading system in the upcoming lectures, but that's just one of the benefits or advantages of foreign currency tradings that you should know uh, right now. Then 5, low transaction charges. The retail transaction cost is usually less than 0.1% under normal market conditions. So as you can see, 0.1%, those are very low transaction charges, and you don't need to keep paying monthly charges. You just pay once, and that is it. Most brokers are compensated through what we call a spread. That is the difference between the buying and selling price. I will be able to disclose it to you in the upcoming lectures. Number 6, no middlemen. Forex trading eliminates middlemen, allowing to trade directly with the market. No exploitation. You know, with middlemen comes exploitation, but now in the forex trading market, we don't have middlemen. So it's you and the market. You trade directly with the market. You are only linked to the market by an organization we call a broker to ensure that you trade the market just like big financial institutions, billionaires, and much more. Number 7, no commissions, no exchange charges, no clearing fees, no government charges, no brokerage fees. The list is endless. You get to keep everything you earn. Brokers are often compensated through the bid stroke ask price. We shall define it in our next lecture. As I said earlier in point number 5, low transaction charges, no commissions also, and the brokers will only be compensated through what we call a spread. You'll come to learn what a spread is in the upcoming lectures. And then lastly, we have free buys. Most forex brokers offer free demonstration accounts for practice and skill building alongside real-time forex news and chatting services. What's more, there are also cash bonuses. I will disclose to you where to find them. With the broker I'm currently using, you'll be able to enjoy $100 of a free bonus if you open your real trading account and deposit on it. So I'll disclose to you all the free buys you should expect in these lectures as we progress. That is part 3 of lecture 1. Let's just go straight away to part 4 so that you don't get tired or your attention isn't exhausted in only a single lecture. Attributes of a successful forex trader, or attributes of successful forex traders. You will be able to go through the PDF. I just read it to you, a little bit of it. A house needs to be built on a strong foundation. Otherwise, there's risk that the house will fall down when a storm comes. A successful forex trader has a strong trading foundation. Otherwise, the risk is that the trader's account will blow up in a volatile market. As I shared earlier, I blew three $1,000 accounts due to poor foundation. When I met my mentor in Israel, my foundation was strengthened, and from there henceforth, I began making profit. Here are some of the attributes of a successful forex trader that I learned from my mentor. 1. They create and execute a trading plan. A trading plan is very important for any foreign currency trader, and successful forex traders understand this. So if you want to make that shift and you want to become a successful trader, you need to create a trading plan. Don't worry much about it. I'll show you how to create one in the upcoming lectures. Then number 2, they keep a daily forex journal. You must be able to write down how the trades went, the trades you opened and why you opened them. If you made losses, you must be able to write them down and write reasons why you did that. It is good for learning purposes, and you will tend to remember most of the things you jot down rather than just reading them or just going with it of it is better to write down. So good forex traders or exceptional forex traders are able to keep a daily journal. And then thirdly, they practice daily. Foundations for successful trading is rooted in practice. Practice can have different forms depending on where you are in your currency trading career. One is through the use of a demo account. I still use a demo account even though I'm now way better in foreign currency trading. I'm an expert. I have $10,000 accounts, several accounts, and I still use demonstration accounts to ensure that I practice each and every day so that I can make most of my mistakes on a demo account, and then the perfectionist part or the nice work I can do it on my real trading account, of which it will definitely attract more income for me. And then number 4, they manage risk effectively by putting stop losses in place. This minimizes their fear and helps to boost their confidence. I'll show you how to manage risk through stop losses, and I'll also guide you on how to do proper equity management to ensure that your account is not blown out of the market. And then fifth, they do not overtrade. Overtrading or greed for that matter has been the most destructive factor in the lives of many foreign currency traders, and successful foreign currency traders steer clear of overtrading because the more you expose yourself to the market, the higher the risk. Successful traders trade with a goal. With a trading goal and a trading plan, at least you know when to get out of the market and when to enter the market. The next, they continuously develop their skills and aptitude by reading books, attending Forex webinars, and joining relevant Forex trading clubs, stroke groups like the Lifeversity Forex Trading Club. So there are some of you who will feel that you've accomplished a lot when you start making some profits after this course, and you'll feel that you want to disconnect yourself from the Lifeversity family, but that is very wrong. Exceptional forex traders are able to maintain a club or a group where they can be able to share different ideas with different members of that group or those groups who share the same goals with them. The Lifeversity Forex Trading Club is one lifetime club where you don't need to pay membership fees to be a member. You only pay when you want somebody to manage your account. That is when you pay. When you want somebody to trade for you, when you want to use somebody's brain to make money in the market, that is the only time you will pay some fees, of which will be compensated through the profits you'll make. And then they take or lock in profits when they appear. Greed is one biggest enemy to foreign currency traders. There are two biggest enemies actually, and that is greed and fear. So greed will be able to make you hang in the markets even though you are making profit. Instead of counting your profits and getting out of the market, there are some greedy traders will wait for long until the market retraces and takes away all the profit that they had made. Exceptional forex traders are able to take profit at the level preset before even opening that trade, so that they don't have their profits being taken back by the market. I will teach you how to set up your trading account so that you don't have the market again snatching away the little profit you had made earlier. Don't worry about it. And then they do not become emotional before, during, and after the trade, even if they make a loss. Most novice traders are emotional before, during, and after the market. Exceptional traders try to put their emotions in check during, before, and even after the trade. I'll teach you how to tone down your emotions. Of course, with more knowledge, you get to understand what you are doing, and as long as you can understand what you are doing, then fear and emotions will be minimized automatically. The Lifeversity Forex Trading course will teach you everything you need to know in order to ensure that fear is minimized and confidence is boosted in order to make more profits. And then they never lose more than what they are comfortable with per trade. Exceptional traders are able to determine their risk before entering the market. They are able to put their stop losses at the prices or at the points where they are comfortable to lose should the market reverse or go opposite to their positions. Before entering the market, you need to determine how much money you are risking, how many pips you are willing to give away should the market go opposite to the trade, to your trade, or to the direction you are trading, whether as a bull or as a bear. I'll teach you how to put stop losses and be able to determine your loss before entering the market to ensure that you are on track. And then lastly, fear. Fear is a trader's worst enemy. Fear tends to make traders do things they wouldn't normally do. Successful traders know how to control their fear. Your biggest enemy is fear. There are some traders who even close positions that could be profitable in a few minutes just because they are afraid of losing. If you understand what you are doing and you have a reason why you opened a given position, then you will not be a victim of fear. In the Lifeversity Forex Trading course, I'm going to disclose to you everything you need to know in order to ensure that your fear is minimized at all costs and you maximize the amount of profit you make in the foreign currency trading market. That's it for this lecture, guys. We've successfully covered the three parts of lecture 1. There is a PDF document, the one you can see on screen. Ensure you go through. As we proceed into more practical, I'll be able to take you into the screens of the foreign currency market. So you need to get prepared for that because the screens are already there, as you can see, and I'm ready to start leading you on how to navigate the market. As you can see, I'm live now in the foreign currency trading market. I've just opened a demo account, and the chart you are seeing is for the euro, United States dollar. You'll be able to see more of these screens and less of the notes as we proceed. So ensure with every email I send, you are able to watch the video in the first link, and secondly to download the PDF, because the lecture of the day, everything will be covered in that PDF. That's it for this video, guys. See you again in lecture 2 tomorrow. Ensure you check your email, open the email, use the first link to watch the video to the end, and then you can do follow up with the PDF document that will be attached immediately after the first link to the video. May God bless you. See you again in lecture 2. Shalom.